kind of relax a little bit. And if you were to disconnect your garage door opener after a few years, your garage door is going to want to maybe come down a little extra fast.
Dave, so great to see you. Thank you for coming on and
thank
talking
you very
about
much.
this.
Good to see you.
This sharp track right here, if you were to run your fingers on it, you could cut them. Consumer Product Safety Commission tells us that little children like to touch a moving roller. So we will have a roller shield so that a little child isn't tempted to do that. Well, I don't know. That's outside the beam, door's coming right down on it. The springs are what we call center mount springs. A center mount spring, again, is a dangerous mechanism because all of that torque and all that tension is pulling against those lag screws. And there are many instances where homeowners have said, oh, the lag screw is loosened. I don't want to call a serviceman, that's costs too much money. I've got a wrench, I'll tighten that up. So with the door closed, under full tension, with the lag screw partially coming out, you step up there not realizing all the torque to raise that door is there, and you start tightening that wrench, and it splits out or strips out, and then that becomes a buzzsaw. Where Consumer Product Safety Commission has told us people have lost fingers, they've lost hands, they've lost arms, and they've lost their head. We curve them on both sides, so you can't cut yourself on the track. And no place to put your hands around. We have closed joints here, so you can't get your fingers in the section joints on the inside. We have what we call finger shields that make it so that you can't get your fingers inside the joints on the outside either. Consumer Product Safety Commission said that little children like to touch moving rollers. So we made a roller shield so little children aren't tempted to touch the roller. We have safely designed a lock-on spring system for the side of the garage. It locks right onto the track mechanism. So you cannot get yourself injured. Why a little kid will try to jump on the door, can't do that. The door stopped. Yay!